In a few days, Samsung will introduce the Galaxy S24 getting out early. Now, a new leak has shown what we can anticipate in terms of how smooth the software will be on the Galaxy S24. The upcoming Galaxy S24 series will be the first phones to come with One UI 6.1 right from the start. If the leaked information is accurate, this new software could make these devices feel smoother than any other Samsung phones before. According to a tipster named Ice Universe, who shared a brief video demonstrating the animations, the frame rate of these animations has been enhanced with One UI 6.1. Additionally, it's reported that Samsung has removed the background blur effect to improve the phone's power efficiency. Furthermore, the company has apparently made significant improvements to the background scaling animation, making it non-linear as per the requests of fans for a long time. Additionally, they have enhanced the wallpaper scaling. These adjustments collectively result in animations that, according to the tipster, appear smoother than those on iOS. When you close apps on the Galaxy S24 with One UI 6.1, you'll notice that the animation, which scales down the app window to its icon on the home screen, now has a more noticeable elastic effect. When you rapidly open and close apps from the home screen, the entire user interface appears incredibly fluid and smooth. This eliminates the frame rate drops that were occasionally observed on older Samsung smartphones. Even though One UI 6.1 is making its debut with the Galaxy S24 series, its expected devices, including the Galaxy S22 and the Galaxy S23. We could see this update being released as early as the end of January or in early February. As we all know, launch of the Galaxy S24 series is just around the corner, and you are thinking about switching to the new Samsung Galaxy S24 and worried about transferring your data? Let's solve that. Imagine moving all your precious photos, contacts, and even those favorite playlists effortlessly to your new Galaxy S24. Meet iTransGo, your one-stop solution for seamless data transfer. Simply visit the iTransGo homepage to get started. It's very simple and easy. You can easily download iTransGo with one click. After installing, click on Start button. Select the data to be transferred. You can choose contacts, messages, music, photos, and videos, and click on Transfer Data. You can monitor the whole process in real time. And it's done with some few clicks. And here's a gift, a special 20% New Year's discount from Tenorshare, exclusively for iTransGo users. Hurry, make your switch stress-free with iTransGo. Click the link below to learn more and grab your discount. Let's not forget that artificial intelligence is doing some incredible things, especially when it comes to improving the performance of low-light zoom on the Galaxy S24. Another source that had the chance to hold the S24 Ultra mentioned that it feels incredibly polished and high-end in your hand. It's only when you physically hold the S24 Ultra that you realize the level of quality Samsung has achieved. Moreover, more marketing details have surfaced, and one highlight Samsung is going to emphasize is their new Super Ultra Bright display. This display will have a brightness of 2600 nits, and it's available on all models in the S24 series. This means that using your phone outdoors, even in direct sunlight, will be much more comfortable and visible. Now let's talk about the durability of these new phones. It seems the glass used on the Galaxy S24 Ultra can still get scratched at a level 6 or 7 on a hardness scale. But the good news is that these scratches won't be as obvious as on the previous S23 Ultra. This is better than before. Also, the S24 Ultra is less likely to break if it falls because it has a tough titanium frame and a flat screen. This is a significant improvement over the S23 Ultra. People have been looking forward to this. Additionally, it looks like the S24 Ultra might have a flat screen and possibly even stronger glass, which will make it more durable, especially around the edges. As usual, let's explore. Every viewers might already be familiar with this drill, so you're welcome to check out other videos. If you're new here, remember to subscribe to stay informed about upcoming content. Now let's get right into the details. The standard Galaxy S24 will come equipped with a 6.2-inch, 120Hz dynamic AMOLED display boasting a resolution of 2340 by 1080. It will make use of Samsung's latest M13 OLED panels, shielded by Gorilla Glass Victus 2 and reinforced with Aluminium 2.0 for added durability. For selfies, there's a 12-megapixel punch-hole front camera. Turning to the back, the phone features a 50-megapixel primary camera, a 12-megapixel ultra-wide lens, and a 10-megapixel telephoto lens. In the USA and South Korea, it will be powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3, while the European variants will run on the Exynos 2400. The device offers 8 GB of RAM and storage choices of 128 GB or 256 GB, using UFS 4.1 technology. The Galaxy S24 houses a 4,000 mAh battery supporting 25-watt fast charging. Connectivity options include 5G support, Bluetooth 5.3, and Wi-Fi 7. Operating on One UI 6.1 based on Android 14, the phone is expected to be released in February 2024 with an estimated price range of $850 to $900. Introducing the Galaxy S24 Plus, featuring an impressive 6.7-inch 120Hz dynamic AMOLED display. It showcases an upgraded Quad HD Plus resolution of 3120 by 1440, incorporating Samsung's advanced M13 OLED panel, safeguarded by Gorilla Glass Victus 2 and reinforced with Aluminium 2.0 for added durability. For selfies, a 12-megapixel punch-hole camera takes the spotlight. On the back, you'll find a powerful camera setup with a 50-megapixel primary lens, a 12-megapixel ultra-wide lens, and a 10-megapixel telephoto lens. In the USA and South Korea, it's equipped with the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3, while European models run on the Exynos 2400. The phone offers a substantial 12 gigs of RAM and storage choices of 256 gigs or 512 gigs, utilizing USB 4.1 technology. The Galaxy S24 Plus features a robust 4,900 mAh battery supporting 45-watt fast charging. Connectivity options include 5G support, Bluetooth 5.3, and Wi-Fi 7. Operating on One UI 6.1 based on Android 14, the expected price for this device is around $1,050. Now let's explore the flagship of the lineup, the Galaxy S24 Ultra. Introducing the Galaxy S24 Ultra, showcasing a generous 6.8-inch 120Hz dynamic AMOLED display with a crisp resolution of 3088 by 1440. It incorporates Samsung's advanced M13 OLED panel, safeguarded by the durable Gorilla Glass Victus 2. For capturing stunning selfies, there's a 12-megapixel punch-hole camera. On the back, the phone features an outstanding camera setup, including a 200-megapixel primary lens, a 12-megapixel ultra-wide lens, a 50-megapixel 3x telephoto lens, and a 10-megapixel telephoto lens with an impressive 10x optical zoom. Contrary to earlier rumors, it is powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 across all regions, distinguishing it from the S24 and S24 Plus, which stick with the Exynos. The S24 Ultra offers a substantial 12 gigs of RAM with storage choices of 256, 512 gigs, and 1 terabyte storage, leveraging USB 4.1 technology. The Galaxy S24 Ultra houses a robust 5,000 mAh battery supporting swift 45-watt fast charging. Connectivity features encompass 5G support, Bluetooth 5.3, and Wi-Fi 7. Operating on One UI 6.1 based on Android 14, this premium device is anticipated to launch with an approximate price tag of $1,250. So overall, the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra introduces a fresh design with enhanced durability and a significantly brighter display. With upgraded hardware and numerous new AI features, the inclusion of the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 in all Ultra models appears to be a smart move by Samsung. The overall improvements across the entire lineup suggest that these phones are poised for success. While the similarities to the predecessor might not entice S23 Ultra owners to rush for an upgrade, the S24 series is an excellent choice for those with older S phones or those considering their first S phone. As we approach the launch, more details will likely surface, and I'll continue to share them as soon as they become available. Make sure to subscribe so you don't miss any updates in the future. Share your opinions in the comments below, and I'll catch you in the next update. Until next time, peace out.